Now let us look at the poetic devices used in the poem. Firstly, we find personification. In the line, what choice had we a dreadful loneliness? Loneliness has been personified as being dreadful, just like a human being. So that is the first poetic device. Next in the poem, at a lot of places symbolism has been used, such as in the line that some strange thing had stripped us of our clothes. So here, not only does it mean that all the clothes of all the people, all the victims had been stripped off by the explosion, rather it also means that the entire human race had suffered by this explosion. So symbolism is there in the poem. Again, the poem has been written in hyperbole form because to tell you the true nature of the attack. It is not exactly exaggerated, but when you read it, you find that it might have been exaggerated, but that was the true nature of the attack. So that's why the poem has been written in the hyperbole form. We also need to understand that the major theme of the poem is about the explosion of the bomb on Nagasaki on August 6, 1945. But we also need to understand that themes like determination, goodwill are also a part of this poem, because even when the doctor is badly injured, he still thinks of saving his patients, of treating the mankind, and that is the goodwill in him.